changes and how they are performing this 3D features in Flash platform. Now I'm taking Flex for doing this. So now I will explain something better this. So what is happening here is nothing. I'm just adding the paper vision. I'm told you already, open source paper vision 3D is a open source library for a 3D engine in your for your Flash platform. I'm adding this library in my project. See, this is a project. Here some libraries are there, some classes are there to perform this 3D stuffs in Flash platform. And okay, now I'm just including some important classes for my projects. So that's things that is explained these lines. Okay, and then I'm creating some viewport and scene 3D and camera 3D to show my 3D object in a 3D view. And I'm creating a cube, 3D cube. There is some feature called a cube, creating some cube effect to create something. And I'm creating I'm assigning some width and assigning some height for the viewport and adding that stuff into some canvas. So where is it? It's in downstairs. So now see this, I'm just adding that viewport in the canvas, and that's all. And then I'm creating some materials. If you want to basically in a 3D view, we know what is texture. Texture is nothing but it is skins for your 3D models, right? So textures is a 3D skins for your 3D models. So I am just creating some wireframe textures for that cube. So I am creating some wireframe textures, and I am creating some I'm just assigning some 6 faces, stuffs, materials, and plain materials for that, and I am adding that material to the cube. When I am creating, when I am when the cube is created, I am assigning that material to the cube. So that's all about the creation of the cube. Now the function I'm just show in a 3D. I'm just showing in a 3D rotations. I want to show in a 3D rotation. So I'm put it in a enter frame E1. So it's looping. I'm just rotate in a rotate X. This type of a rotate. I'm just rotating in a X position. Before Flash Player 10, we have only one option called rotate and X and Y. We have only 3 properties for transformation that object. Now we have a option Z and rotate X and rotate Y and rotate Z for show your 3D steps. So now how it works? So let me see. Oops, it's cool.